Hello friends, this is Yana from Yana's Crochet. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Like, share, comment, help my videos get shown to more people. So today we are going to be making these very cute bookmarks that were very popular on my Facebook page, Yana's Crochet. And if you want to see a diagram for them, find it there. Today for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this cotton yarn called Smums. It's Turkish yarn. It's number 2 fine yarn. It's very nice, soft. It's a lot shimmery that you can see on the video. And I'm going to leave the link down in the description if you're interested. It's great yarn for small projects and amigurumis. Okay, so we are going to start by chaining 6. And just slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring. I mean, you technically could use a magic ring for this, but I think this method of chaining 6 is better. Now chain 5. And we are going to put 6 treble crochets inside the ring. There you have 2, and your first chain 5 will count as a stitch, so you're going to have 7. Last one. Okay, now chain 3. And another 6 treble crochets in just the same space inside the middle of the ring. If this is going too fast for you, you can always pause it and go at your own pace. And to finish up this round, you're going to chain 5. And slip stitch in the beginning. I like to slip stitch all the way inside the ring because I think that gives a little bit of a better look. This is where you want to fasten off because you are going to be adding a new color. If you want, you can do this in the same color all the way through. And this is what it's going to look like. So now let's add the new color. Just go right in the middle and chain 1 to just attach it. And now you are going to put 5 single crochets into that space, the chain 5 space. Sorry, I'm struggling so much here trying to crochet over my ends. Okay, so you put your 5 single crochets. Now your next stitch is a half double in that first treble crochet of the previous round. So that's gonna be a half double crochet. And the next ones we're gonna put double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So I already did one there. So here's 2. 3, 4, and 5. Now 2 more double crochets in the chain space. So all the way on top, there you go, it goes inside. So 1, 2. Next one is a treble crochet. Chain 2. And now we're going to mirror the same side. So you're going to start with a treble crochet and then 2 double crochets, then 5 more doubles. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a half double crochet in that last stitch. And then the same as you started, it's 5 single crochets over those 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch again into the center. And this is where you fasten off to grab another color if you want. So this is what it should look like so far. It's like a little leaf. Let's add that new color if you want to. Again, if you want it a little easier, you can just stick to one color and do all 3 rounds in one color. Okay, so once we attach new color, we're gonna put 6 single crochets in the next 6 stitches. Make sure you don't miss that very first one. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your last one should go on top of the half double crochet of the previous round. You should have 6 single crochets. Now chain 2 and a single crochet in the next stitch. After that, you're going to chain 3, single crochet, and repeat that all the way to the top. Okay, so chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3 again, single crochet, and just keep going. Okay, one more time, chain 3. Okay, you're going to put your last single crochet here right before the chain 2 space at the very top. Okay, after that you're going to chain 3 again. Okay, now you're going to put 1 treble crochet in the chain 2 space. Now chain 6. And slip stitch to the base of your chain 6. Slip stitch. Okay, to make that little picot. Now treble crochet again. And now we are mirroring again, so chain 3 and single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So we are repeating the other side. You go all the way down. So you put your last single crochet in your last double crochet of the previous round, then you chain 2, and then you single crochet again, and 5 more single crochets, so in all the stitches. So again, basically you're doing exactly the same thing as you did on the other side, but just in the opposite direction. The way you started the round, this is how you are finishing it. And again, we're going to slip stitch in the center. Okay, so we're finished with the main part. So now we are going to chain 50. Okay, once you have 50 chains completed, that's going to be your tail. So now slip stitch in the 10th chain from the hook. So count 10 chains down and slip stitch in that. And continue slip stitching all the way back to the base of your chain. And then you'll just slip stitch to the base again, and here's your tail, and this is the bookmark itself. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the little pom-pom that goes at the end of the bookmark, and I'm really not good at this, and you'll probably find a way better tutorial from somebody else. I'm gonna go ahead and include this anyways. This is not my forte. I can crochet, but this is a little extra. So take the yarn and just wrap it around your 3 fingers. Go as many times as you want, depending on how thick you want it to be. Then just cut it. And this is what you'll have. Like I said, you can do it a lot thicker. You can wrap it around something else to make it longer if you want. That works too. Okay, so here I use a hook to get it inside the tail. That's not a hard part. There you go. Make sure it's all nice and even. Straighten it out as much as you want. And then take a string of yarn and wrap it around the top. You can also make that as thick as you want. Or maybe all you want is just a little one thin string. I'll make it wider, just whatever your preference is. And all I do is just I tie it and cut the excess off. I know there is a little bit of a fancier way how you can hide the tails. I don't really do that, but like I said, you can probably find a better way. Just cut off the excess and you're done. And there you have it, a nice little bookmark. If you would like to see a diagram chart pattern for this bookmark, you can find it on my Facebook page, Yana's Crochet. So this way you can follow along and it will help you learn how to read charts. Thank you for watching.